used to do it from beginning, but from beginning it's a theoretical part, no problem. I'm going to record the session now. I will give the video as well. As after the session I will give the video, so step by step definitely you can do the process. Okay. Yes, write down all the queries. End of the session I will clear it out. Create button, then I'm coming down the advertisement. This is the link. Yes. I think it's mine is generally it's a agency. I have many account. You guys will be able to see such a dashboard. It will be opening up. Okay. Let me create it from. You don't go like this. So better you will have only one, because I have multiple accounts. That's the reason I have selected the another my. Yes, this is the dashboard. Okay. So in the left hand side there is a called create. Okay, when I click the create button, this is called a campaign. Facebook, they will say what kind of goal you have. Okay, these are all the goal sets. Everybody needs some advertisement. There must be a goal. What is the goal? Your goal, we need to select it out. These all are multiple goals are available, but I need lead. That's what my goal. I want to generate a leads. I'm going to click the lead generation option here. In the bottom there is only 3 column. We are going to create it campaign. Campaign is nothing but it's a campaign name only for our reference. Okay. And the second one is ad set. Ad set, nothing like that. It is kind of what kind of people we are going to target it. Okay, that's called, they have categorized 3 segment organized in such a manner. We are going to make it fill the form. We are not at all going to any, there is no coding and there is no technical, nothing is required. Anyone can create that. I'm very much sure about it. Anyone can create it. Okay, you just click the name. What is the name? Let me take it my example. Say for example, you all came here because of 99 rupees. You came here. I put advertisement 99 rupees Facebook lead ad. Let me, how I generate the lead ad, I will show you. FB underscore, it is it is only for our name, only for our reference. There is nothing like that. I am putting underscore. You have to do the same format. It is not like that. You can create any name, whatever. Only the thing is you should remember what is the name it is. FB lead. I am putting that today. Somebody saying no audio, so I don't know, but guys, you can able to hear me, right? If somebody Shivakumar saying no audio. If my audio is okay, right? If it is my audio is okay, yes, I can hear. Okay, Rakesh, yeah. Then Shivakumar, check it out your audio once again. Yes, campaign name, it is our own reference purpose. Ad set is nothing like that. To whom I am going to target. Last week, which I have taken that seminar only for Tamil Nadu people, I have taken these things, but this time I just want to make it out in the same way. Let me put it Telangana audience. Okay, in the Telangana and FB ad. What is the ad name? Ad name only for our visibility. What is our product? It is nothing like that. What kind of product I am going to sell it out? Okay, I am putting 99 rupees ad lead. This is my product. My product is 99 rupees. This is only for my reference. It is not for the Facebook. It is not at all relevant that. Only we are going to create these three options. I am putting the name. Okay, just click continue. Some people, this window, if it is not opened, no worry about it. You can create after coming, you can see the left hand dashboard. You see directly, we can create it from here. Campaign name, lead, ad set, and ad. In the top also you could see this is a campaign name, ad set, ad. You can later on also you could do that. Okay. Ad set, definitely Rakesh, I will repeat that. Ad set nothing but that guys, ad set is, it is for the audience to whom we are. They have categorized step by step. When I go, you will come to know that. Fine. I am coming down exactly. I am saying only 10 clicks. This R will be done. That's it. Only 10 clicks. That's what we are going to do. It's simple, right? Daily budget. What's the daily budget? Daily budget, I can make it 200 rupees. You start from 200 rupees, not more than that initially. Okay. Then you will come to know that 200 rupees. You don't get any confusion. I am making very simple process to you, easily understand. Initially, if you look something more than that, you'll get confused and your ad will not run. Okay. So more option, leave it like that. Then come up with this next button. Yes. Here we came ad set name. It is for, as I told you, initially I put a name. In case if you forgot, you can give the name here. Ad set name. Here the one more thing. Hope a lot of people to be know that if you want to run the ad, you must be having the Facebook page. You know, I hope I will let me give the clarity what is Facebook page and profile. Some people might be knowing, some people may not be knowing. I will give the explanation. Facebook profile, you can add it only 5,000 members as a friend. Only family and friends, that is for your Facebook profile. Okay. Facebook page is, it's a kind of website. You could promote your products through Facebook page. That's what Facebook have given the opportunity. You can ask me how many pages can you create? Can we create it? We can create it endless. There is no, not at all limited. If you have five, if you have what you call that, 5 products, 5 showroom different products, you can open multiple Facebook page. It's very simple. I have many pages. This is the page I am going to run the Facebook advertisement. Let me show the Facebook page how it looks like that. How it's supposed to be Facebook page. Guys, yeah. So I just put it my Facebook page name called, you can find your niche. That's my, I just put it out my name. It could be anything. Your Facebook page can put anything. Because of this particular seminar, I opened up this page. Here you can talk whatever it is. People will start likes. When they start likes, whatever you are putting the products, they'll be come to know that, okay, fine. Because my clients, they have given the testimonial, everything. I have put it everything. So right now, I know last week only we have done it. That is a 238 followers. We can increase it as many as you want. This is a separate class. Definitely, there is again end of the session. I will give you how you can create the Facebook page. Don't worry about it. But here you have to understand that when you have to run the ad, you must be having the Facebook page. It is very simple. In case if you do not have the Facebook page, it is a shortcut key they have given here. If you click it plus button, you can create a Facebook page. After that, we are giving the terms view. You have to click that view terms and condition. It is only one time. So when you first time running the ad, we have to click at this option. come here and give the accept. That's it. So then I'm coming up, down. Right now, don't select the catalog, because in Facebook page there is a product called catalog sales. If you are running as a store, textile showroom, you can create the catalogs. That catalogs can be sell it out as a product here. Initially, please don't do that now. Right now, you do one simple ad, so that will be very easy for you. As I said, that budget and schedule, start date and end date. If you want to run the ad, how many days you want to run it? I have only 500 rupees. I want to run 2 days or 3 days. You can set the date, start date, end date. If you click it here, you can select it the which date you want it. That's it. Because every day I just will monitor that, so that I do not want today. Let me check it out the ad. Tomorrow the ad it is not performing well. I can switch it off. Okay, I can edit I can edit the advertisement once again. So for me, I'm putting open. You guys, if you want to put it, you can do that. Then this is a beautiful tool. Yeah, you guys really wondering about this tool. Target audience. Okay, advertisement anyone can create it. Many people, you guys, lot of people's here. You would have done the boost, and there is no valid sales. Would have not happened. Am I right? Anybody have tried that? Boost. You have boost your page, amount deducted, then not happen any sales. Any experience? Anybody else? If you have any experience, please in chat. Yes, less sales. Great. Okay, fine. Great. Definitely. Yeah, you also morning asked me about it. Yes, Subhashni. Why? Because why no sales mean target audience? Okay, simple traditional marketing. What will happen? You are as a real estate client. Let us as a small example here. Guys, please, and somebody mute it. Somebody disturbance of voice is coming. Let me take the real estate example. If you are running as a product, if you are wrong audience, for example, college students or school students, if you are selling out all the brochures to the people, what will happen? Those 1,000 brochures you have given to the students, whether they are going to purchase the real estate plot or houses, no, they are not decision maker. You have spent almost 1,000 rupees to all the people. Let me take it as a small brochure example. Okay. In the same way, here also will happen. You are selecting the wrong audience, then your sales will not happen. Okay. Yes. Now you look out here. Where I'm going to target? I'm going to target in Telangana. Telangana, not only state wise. Right? I think I'm getting disturbed once again. Let me mute it or somebody else once again. That's what I told. Let me host. Let me change it out. Please, you guys mute it out, or else will be the problem. Time also will get. Let me give to my technical person. Yes, I have given the hosting to my technical person. Okay, fine. Yes. In this, say for example, where I am going to run the advertisement only for the Telangana. Telangana I can run in Hyderabad. For example, your product, anything, sir. I'm having the physical product storeroom. I don't want to run the whole Telangana state. I want to run it in my area. You can do that. Okay, I'll show you here. I'm typing out here Telangana. I'm just simply typing out. It is coming here, city. It came. You understand? Telangana, there is a potential reach is 67 lakhs people are there using Facebook. No, I wanted Hyderabad. Only Hyderabad people I wanted. You have to spend time here, very much, pretty much required. Hyderabad, there is multiple things are there. You have to select the right. In Pakistan, there is one more thing is available. Hyderabad. Okay. Here also, again, I would like to say this very laser targeting. My area, you can define your area name. I am staying in the Kukatpalli. The area name called Kukatpalli. See, in Kukatpalli area, 62,000 people are there. If you are running as a product, your ad wanted to run it in a 5 kilometer or 10 kilometer, you can define it. That's the reason. That's a beautiful option they have given. Okay. If you go to the download this option, you see people living in recently in this location are living in this location, or people are traveling in this location. If you are running as a larger PG accommodation, you can mention it here. People who's traveling to this particular location. I just wanted to capture that people. What will happen? What will happen? So how Facebook knows that? Because you would have been searched it. You would have been booked a ticket, some other website, Redbuzz or somewhere else. Facebook knows that. Facebook collected all the cookies, what you are going to do. Okay. So that so many options are available here. So you have to study very clearly this option. That's it. Just look and think about you. Think common sense. That's it. This is not at all technical. Think about common sense. And I am putting out here. Let me check it out. Hyderabad. The whole Telangana. I just want to run that. You just come up here. Yes. I'm going to put it out. My ad, it has to go for the business owners. I want to train up those people only. Why? Because those people, they need to know how to generate the leads. Okay. In generally, people will start from business from 30 years. It would be optimal. I hope whoever comes here, I'm pretty much sure you all in between the age 30 to 45. That's what I have targeted you people. You all came here. This time I targeted, you must be having almost in the metro cities. You all, metro cities, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. You all will be in 3 cities only. Apart from that, anyone is here, please send me the message. Then gender, click it here. See how many people, men and women. If you are selling women products, you can select it women. In the right hand side, you look out that potential reach. How many people are using? 24 lakhs. If I select only women, 5,70,000 people in Hyderabad. So you have to know that who's your audience. Say for example, if you are selling the female relevant product, if you target in the both people, then your ad will be get wasted. Okay, that's the reason you will not get quality leads. Here I am saying this. Detailed targeting. Whether I am clicking this, is it right? No. I want detailed targeting. What kind of people I am going to target? Okay. As I told you that, demographics. You just spend time very wisely. Click demographics. Demographics, nothing but it is the what kind of people you are going to target. Then second is interest. You are targeting the people, what they wanted. That is interest. Okay, fine. So then we are going to convert behavior. You identify the people, you identify the results, you identify the behavior, whether they purchase it or they don't purchase it. In online, they have experience or they do not have experience. These are all called behavior. What kind of mobile they are using, what kind of operating system they are using. Those all are behavior. So I can analyze my audience, what kind of people they are. So these are all the target. When I put it, laser targeting can happen. What I'm going to do, I need a small business owners, entrepreneurs. Okay, fine. Let us assume that 100 people. I'm going to target 100 people in this category. Then interest. What is that? They have to be, what kind of interest it should be? My course is based on lead generation. They have to be interested on digital marketing or lead generation. Those categories they have to be interested. Zoom call training online, whether they must be having interest or not. Okay. Out of 100, at least 40 people we have shortlisted. I need those 40 people. But still, I want to make it more laser. What kind of laser targeting? Behavior. I want it engaged shopper, like anybody, somebody course purchased, any other previous course, any other webinar, people they have attended previously. So for me, it is very easy. I am pretty much sure you guys have attended some other webinar previously. Okay, you all are engaged shopper. Facebook knows that some new ad comes, you'll click it, you'll purchase it. That's it. So that's called engaged shopper. Okay, you go here. This is I hope you understand my concept. The 100 people, I down 40, then I down 20. So in this 20, my conversion will happen at least minimum 5. 10 to 20% conversion will happen. It is very simple logic. Okay. I don't not even, for me, I'm saying my cases per lead, I took only for 10 to 15 rupees per lead for me to happen. My conversion rate also, it is almost, I said 20%. Okay. If I receive 100 leads, my conversion will happen minimum 20%, 20 to 30%. Absolutely, it is my sales. I can make it the calculation in that way. If you go to education level, hope everyone can see my Zoom. Let me zoom it out. You can. One second. You can able to see my screen, right, guys? Yeah. Yeah. Demographics, there is education. If you are going to target the people, if you are running as a college, you target the people, high school grade, who wants to waiting for the college seat. Professional degree, master degree, some college, you can target all the people. There are so many things out here. Financial, this is only for the US people. It has not given for us, no problem. And live events, you are running as a people like a gift shop, something, all the product available, anniversary within 30 days. Okay, who's going to celebrate it? For them, if you want, you can. Away from family, whoever away from family. For those, if you are audience, you can select them. Away from hometown. Okay. Birthday month, you can select the birthday, what kind of birthday month they are going to celebrate it. Upcoming birthday. Of course, you have to birthday directly people, they don't, who's having the birthday, they don't purchase a gift. We need to target the people, birthday who's having that people, friends, so that they will purchase a gift. Okay. You could select it in that. It's a too good option, close friends of woman with a birthday 0 to 7 days. If you are running as an ad, jewelry, something like all the kind of advertisement, you can target them. Okay. Then you see there are newly engaged people. If you are running as a parlor, you can target only the engagement who has done. They're waiting for the marriage. They want parlor. Such kind of thing, you can do this. Parents. If you are running as a child products, like any school kind of kids product, if you want to sell it out, you can target the parents, preschoolers, parents with teens, okay, parent with teenagers, anything. It has been categorized. People already collected the data, they have stored it out. Okay. Relationship status. Relationship, if you are advocate, you could make it out complicated. So people, what do you call it? Whoever having the status, they'll put a status. My life is complicated. My post, whatever you are putting the post, Facebook will read that, will identify what person, who you are, what is your feeling, inner feeling, everything will capture it out. Okay. So if you are as a lawyer, what will happen? Complicated. Who's having the life in complicated? It will go there only. Okay. Divorced and married people, engaged, single, all the categories, you just spend time. You need to spend time. When you put an ad, exactly, you should put it down. You should put it time here. Work. employers, industries. This is a session why I'm explaining very deep. It is you have to understand. A lot of people, they are not at all knowing that why they are not, their ad is not performing well, because they don't spend time here. You have to spend time. What is your audience? All the behavior. Industries. What kind of industry your audience they are belongs to that. Okay. Interest. You see here interest, entertainment, games. Okay, what kind of games people will be interesting. Okay, a lot of games are available. If your audience likes such kind of things, you can check it out. Movies, your audience, what kind of movies they will see, such kind of things you can have a look. Okay, there is so many things. Shopping and fashion, what kind of shopping they do. Beauty salons, whether they are frequently visit for beauty salons, whether they are frequent purchases for cosmetics, hair products. So these are our interest. So we can tattoos. Yeah, somebody tell the tattoo studio. Who looks for interesting about tattoos? Only for those will go. Okay, clothing. What kind of cloth you are, fashion accessories, shopping. Okay, so these all the options are available. Toys, so many things are here. Let me, because of little time, but you guys, why I'm saying here, these many options are available, you should know that. That's what I'm giving one by one what kind of options are available here. Behavior, again I'm saying this, you see, digital activities, Facebook payment user. Already I mentioned Facebook, whoever purchased a product within 30 days, it will collect them. Okay, this is a person will purchase any product, something. If you push it out ad 3 or 4 times, if I retarget, we can make them to purchase our product. It is very simple. Okay, Facebook page admins, internet browser used, what kind of browser you are using. Okay, what kind of operating system you use that. Technology early adopters, mobile device. So for example, my product little bit costly. I want very topmost people. Then I could make it out iPhone. Okay, so iPhone people who are using. So I want that customer. You can select it out. The options, all the options are available. Okay, more categories. Purchase behavior. I said purchase behavior. Engaged shopper. So people will be very frequently they are buying the product in online. Even for the Ramadan month, that is also there. Soccer. There is only thing is Facebook have given the data. It is like that. They have given the open space and tools. Using by that tool, how you are going to build your house, whether 2 BHK or 3 BHK, that is your thing. That cost also based on that only, because Facebook will not optimize your ad. You are the person had to optimize it, then make it profitable ad. That is the pretty much secret. That's it. Guys, I just, why I'm spending this little bit more time, laser targeting, it is a pretty much important. Okay, you all know that. Let me put it on my thing. If you do not know any person, what kind of persons, I do not know, simply type it here. I want business owners. Business owners will come here in the bottom. Business owner, you see here, employers. Employer mean I want them. Okay, one keyword, if I found that, then if you go the another suggestion, take it here, automatically will throw that. That is also, Facebook will work like a jump. Click it, business owner, own business, owner and CEO. These are all the people of my target audience. Business owners, managing director. If you are running as a real estate guy, okay, to whom you have to do IT industry, or what is the income level, you could select it. If you want to running as a interior design architect, if your target, you have to select it as an architect. Job title, what they are, it is kind of title. Title means what kind of position they are. Already you would have been given in the Facebook profile, right? Managing director, co-founder, director. There are so many things are available, but you have to check it out continuously. You have to spend time here. This is what laser targeting. Okay, in the suggestion already came lot more stuff. I am going to give now. interest. What is the interest? Digital marketing, they have to be. Digital marketing, you have to wait some time. Then it will show the bottom suggestion. Here, right side, see the interest, digital marketing. Click it here. Then click suggestion. Okay, of course, I need online advertising. I need social media marketing. Okay, fine. Apart from that, I wanted lead generation. Who wanted to generate lead? Lead generation. Okay, fine. Of course, I want real estate people also. Lead generation, real estate lead generation interest, whoever it is, so that it will be helpful for this particular course. As I said, okay, my audience sheet, there's a 3,20,000 people. Facebook refined it. Okay, in this particular Hyderabad city, I have refined it. Now, 4 to 13 rupees, it's the estimation of lead. 200 rupees, I may get it. It may get it, I'm not sure, but the data they are providing. Okay, sometimes you can get more, sometimes you can get less. I am putting here what you called engaged shopper. Engaged shopper in the bottom, behavior. I selected it down. Sometimes you want to make it out language. Sir, I want it. I don't want to. I want it certain particular language. Who speaks that? I want. You can make it out. Tamil. Only I not, of course. If I am going to, last week I had taken the session in Tamil language. If I put it Tamil, so only Tamil who is very comfortable, for them the ad will be published. Understand, right? Here I can make it a Telugu. Next time, if I wanted to take the Telugu audience, I can make Telugu. You have to decide it what kind of audience you wanted. That's it. Okay, I'm putting very simple. It's open. If you want, you can save the audience multiple times. If you want to use it, you can. When I click this save the audience, you give some name, you save it out. Next time, automatically what will happen? If you go to here in the top, use saved audience. Default, you can get it out. When you select it, multiple times, you can use the same audience. Facebook ad, only the problem, like it's not a problem. You have to spend more time on the analysis about your audience. That is the secret here. It is very simple. Keep it automatic placements. Keep it recommend automatic placements. I recommend that. Don't put it here. Manual placements, nothing that. Facebook, there is a multiple platform where you want to publish it, only mobile or only desktop, like that. We have to click it. Right now, you put it automatic placements. Coming down, you see, as I said, only 10 clicks, not more than 10 clicks when you create the ad. I am clicking next button. Now we are into last ad. Okay. Ad set, it is with ad set. Only thing is what kind of people I am going to target. I already defined it. That's for ad sets. Okay. Ad name only I given here. If you have Instagram page, when you indicated in your Facebook page, automatically that page will be displayed here, so that your advertisement will be run to Instagram also. Okay, of course, Facebook and Instagram both are same platform, same owner. Okay. Then again, you click it here in the single image or video. First, you click it, you try with this option, single image. If you don't know how to create post and all, it is very easy to create. There is a website called canva.com. You can create wonderful option. Of course, I know even I am also not much technical person in Photoshop and all, but I can create. I will show you how I created the page. When you click it, the ad image, okay, upload the button. maybe I just, 1 second. One image I want for today's presentation, I made it here. Yeah, when you click this button, will open up. The image size, I prefer that, Facebook have given the size 1200 into 628. That is the pixel size. I selected the image. I created the hard copy. Let me copy paste for you guys. Guys, here you have to spend time, because when you are talking about your product, what is your product, what is your benefit, you have to tell the audience why they have to purchase your product. First, you should tell that. Okay, in the image you should tell that, and as well as in the primary text, I'm going to put it here as a copy. I just made a copy paste. I had done in the notebook. A simple thing, what I mentioned here, how to create Facebook ad in 60 minutes or less. That is my agenda. That is my course. In the same way, what is your product? What it is going to be give the benefit for the audience? You write it some words, very nice words. That is called ad copy. Okay. Always when customer pain point, when you're triggering out, you could sell it your product very easily. So target about your customer pain point. I'm mentioning here pain point. What is their pain? Your pain point is how to generate leads. That is your pain point. That's why you are here. You understand? Headline. I am making it a little bit powerful. Whatever the way people, it is very catchy word. Headline, it has to be very catchy. So it is kind of call to action. They will do. I am putting out my learn how to create Facebook ad in less than 60 seconds, 60 minutes. That means people will a little bit, oh, 60 minutes, can I create that? Of course you can create that. In the bottom, you see this, guys. It will come in the bottom here. Okay. Then you have to do this is the headline is very must. You make it in the right appropriate word. Again, I am repeating that right appropriate word. People will do the action based on the headline. Call to action. What kind of action they need to do that? Whether they need to do sign up, then if you are the software products, what they need to do. Download. If you are selling a movie tickets or event tickets, book now. If you are as a job HR person, apply now. So that is the exact offer you need to do that. I am putting sign up now because I want to get the sign up. Of course, I can go book now also. Finally, we are in the last part. Okay. I needed what I need. Why I am generating a lead form? I need a people data, mobile, email, name. I want that. How to create the lead form? Here in the bottom, create lead form. In the lead form, this is a name. Already I have many forms. I am going to show you how to create the form now. Your company name. This is only for your reference. Form name. Click settings and then keep it open. Why I am saying open? Anybody forward your ad to some other friends. If they are interested, they are also able to sign up. It is kind of open because we need a data, we need a lead. So keep it open. Come content, come here. In the bottom, if you want it, you can give the more introduction about your company. It's optional, not mandatory. In the headline, you mention your company name. If you want to use your own image, you could use it out. Clicking this button, click the upload image if you want. But I suggest it initially, don't use it out. I'm going to disable now. Why? Because I want people data. People, they don't spend much time. They want very user friendly. That's what all the audience. They don't want to type it they don't want to all the story. Well, I'm telling one more thing, guys. When you create the ad, don't talk about your product features. Always talk about the benefits, what they will be benefited. Okay. And enter the message. This is the data. Why you are collecting the data? To share it our product details. Okay. Details. Yes. I want email full name. It's default option. I want to collect it. Phone number also. Yes. I'm putting. You can make it out, move up and down. Full name I will keep it in the top. Email, phone number I organized it. These two okay. Then come the next button. It is very user friendly. Now it's one step by step. They have given very clear information. Hardly first time when you do will take time. 10 to 15 minutes you can create the ad. Text link. What is the text link? Your page link. My page link is find my niche. So I can give it my page name. Your product name also you can give it, no issue. Link URL. Here I am telling one more thing. If you do not have the website, there is a lot of websites freely you can create it. Wix.com, bookmark.com. You create your own thing. There it has to be the privacy policy. Okay. If you don't want to spend money, create some free website. Keep it one link called privacy policy. That policy, it has to be there in your web page. That link, it has to provide it here. Okay. Finally, thank you screen. Simple. You can mention thanks for your interest. Simple. Thanks for your interest. What are the way? If you want to make it in Tamil also, you can mention your own language. You can mention description. You can mention I want them to connect my WhatsApp. How to get it done? Click below button to get more information on WhatsApp. Okay. Type it here. Why? Because people already they will see. Thanks for interest. Then they will read it. We have to guide them. User they don't know that what they do. They will reading. Their brain will read that. They'll click it. Simple. You have to tell each and every step. You have to communicate them. Then view websites. In the button text in the bottom. Here also I will guide them. Click here. Click here to get more info on WhatsApp. You want to give some gift, you give, get free offer. Text me on WhatsApp. Something. You may ask, sir, how to get it in WhatsApp? On WhatsApp, how many people know? I don't know that. I'll show you how to create the WhatsApp number, websites. The link is called wa.me. Then slash our number. Once again, my window it is up. Once again, let me. Yes. wa.me/91. Our number 967622 is my number. I am copying this link. If you entered this, directly will redirect to your WhatsApp. This is your website. If you don't have a website, your WhatsApp is website. That link I copied it. I am clicking here. If you want to visit your website, you can give your website link. Not an issue. I'm telling the option who don't have the website, they want to run an ad, they can do this simple methodology. You can use it your own mobile is a website. Even if you do not have the website, also there is a lot of option already. As I said, you that Wix.com, bookmark.com, those all are very free website. Within 10 minutes, you can create it. Okay, guys, utilize the option. Then go up. If you finish the option, I have many forms. I am clicking the option. After click, then finished out. Then form will be open up here. If I selected one form, already my previous ad, I'll show you. So in the bottom, you could see name, phone number, email, and data privacy. Yes, I just made it last time I offered it free ebook. Okay, so of course everyone got ebook, I guess. Okay, so that is also very people attract for the free gifts. Okay, then and guys, this is what done. We finish the session. Now publish. When I click publish, we'll go for live. It is not will not go immediate live. We'll go for the review. Facebook, there is a policy. You before creating the ad, read the Facebook ads policy. What you do, what you don't do that. You all guys are in WhatsApp group. I will send the link there also. When I click publish, it will go. Of course, one time I'll show you. Hope today the session I think little bit long. Hope you don't another 20 minutes. Is that okay, right, guys? Because a little bit extended. So after completing that, when I click Ads Manager, guys, see here, Facebook, it is in the review. Okay, so after certain times, then automatically this will convert as active. Your ad will be published. That's it. Very simple. After that, you have to give the billing. Okay, how you have to add the billing, I'll show you. Click the billing option, then click the payment settings. If you have a Visa, MasterCard, debit card, easily you can add the payment method. If you click add payment method, you could add your card. Okay. Don't worry about it. It's the safest system only, but only the thing is use in a safety browser. It is always I suggested. This is how to add the billing option. And so I got a lead. How to download the leads? I'll show you how to download the leads. See here. Actually, I made a advertisement. 98 leads somewhere it came. How to do this? When you click ads, this top category, then look out that if you come here in the bottom, there is on Facebook. If you click it here, it will show as a Excel file. It will ask you to download it, whether you want to download as a Excel or CSV. Download Excel or CSV. When I click it, your Excel, all the leads will open their Facebook number, email ID, everything, it will be collected. So if you want to send bulk WhatsApp, there is a software available. You can send a message. You guys, how to send and all later on, you can connect through me on WhatsApp. I'll tell you, because a lot of my clients, they got very good great leads. Within a day, 200 leads, they got it. In 1,000 rupees, 200 leads, they got it. Okay. Guys, I just wanted to go the recap. Shall I go recap? Yes, or you guys are hungry? 5 minutes. Shall I go recap? Yes, please type in the chat box. Yes. Only one yes. I think hope everyone understand. Fine. Guys, I will repeat once again. Okay. Create button, campaign, we clicked it, campaign name, next. Then we have given the ad set name, your Facebook page. Then we have given the budget, what is the amount we need to do. Then we have given the target audience. As I told you, the demographics, interest, behavior, you redefine your audience. Cost control, if you want, you can do that. Maybe per lead cost, how much you want to, you can decide it. Say, for example, I want 20 rupees per lead. You can define it. Instagram page, if you want, you can add it out. We are in the third page now. We are going to run as a single image ad. I clicked it, single image button in the top. This PPT I will give you how to create ad. Also, I'll give the video also. It is very simple. You can do that. Placements, primary text, headline. I told you. The last one is call to action. Final is simple ad. You would have seen a lot of ads, sponsored ad. Some 4-5 images I made it out. I told you that 1200 into 628 pixel size, and there is some parameter you have to follow that in image. On image, don't write too many words. Make it image as to talk about your product. What is your product? Finally, make it some creative photos and all. As I told you that you can create using by the website name called Canva. It is very simple tool. Anybody can learn that. I'm going to repeat once again demographics. This is a website. I made it out all the what you called my page stuck. I guess once again. I'm parallel. I'm looking out. Yes, demographics and yes. So these many data are already available. Interest, behavior. This data already I will share it out. We have done it. This is a dashboard I'm looking out. Some people asking, sir, how many 1,000 rupees if I spend money, how much leads I will be getting? It is purely depends on your advertisement capacity, how you are creating your ad, how innovative you are creating your ad, how you are target your audience. If you are targeting wrong audience, of course, amount will be taking too much from Facebook. You need to pay for that. My clients I have generated for that, you see 80 paisa per result. 1 rupee, 2 rupee also I generate. Okay, that is depends upon the target audience. Because in the past 10 years we are in the industry, we know the what you called in and out how the tool works. Okay, how we can target the audience. That's what we know that. So I'm helping to my clients to get a prospective leads in a proper manner. These are all a simple strategy I'm telling you. About myself, I just I did not tell you that these are all my international clients, which you are looking at the page, where I am working with the people. Generally, I work for the US and Canadian clients and European countries. I do the digital marketing stuff. I do the marketing from here. You can do that. From you can sit from one place over the world. You can target the audience. You can get your own clients. Okay, the industry is very big, and Facebook page I just created for you. One more offer I just wanted to give you today. I have done so many people do not have the Facebook page. Okay, what I done it. I have not written a book. Actually this is a screenshot. each Facebook page, what is the profile required? Okay, because like kind of your own product, your own virtual store it is. Okay, that's the reason people not bothering about it. That's the reason I spent time. I created the print shot, everything wherever the configuration required it. It looks like they're very user friendly. Like how it's supposed to be SEO, how your web Facebook page to come in a front page, what is the thing it is needed, everything I designed it. There is a 96 slides I made it. This is a book. I just mentioned 199 only for 200 rupees, less than that. Movie ticket more than that. If anybody want to create your Facebook page, this is a ebook. Again, I am saying this. This is a ebook PDF file. This link I will share it in the WhatsApp group. Anybody wants using by the InstaMojo link, you can download it. This book. Okay. Of course, you can ping me on WhatsApp. The same thing I'll send you. It is pretty much required. If anybody knows that, no issue. But still, so some redefine you can. Apart from that, I another 2 minutes. Give me that. I will go for the question and answer. I will close it out. Uh, Guys, this is a one-to-one consulting. Generally, I have started for domestic clients after this Corona thing. This is a one-to-one consulting for your business. If you are a startup, you can do your own. It is not a big deal. Okay. Say for example, real estate and those guys. So many people they have started working with us. Why? Because they cannot start working all the refined category. For them, we started a separate model. We are charging personal brand development. Okay, Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook page. How it's supposed to be a business page. Okay, at the same time, not only here, YouTube channel, how to do marketing your YouTube. It because it's another. It is industry now. It is video marketing. If you run your channel in your YouTube, your product, it has to be visible. Then only you will be survive in future. Okay, YouTube channel is very must. You guys, it is very simple. If you do not know, search it in YouTube. People will suggest it. If you want anybody personal guidance, this is a offer we are giving. Okay, 9999 personal coaching, one-to-one. We do complete guidance until they get the lead, until they create the Facebook page. Everywhere we are creating the personal coaching we do. And as I told you that, this 99 rupees also I given the money back guarantee the same way. Even you guys, anybody, whatever you spent more than 1 hour, I mean 1 hour, 10 minutes, little bit extended. If you do not satisfied, you can ask me refund. Okay, not a problem. But again, because I know the quality, almost I will respect the people satisfaction. This consulting, if you are not satisfied, your money 100% refund. Okay, that's what I can give the commitment. Okay, again I am saying this. If really want as a business people, you could grab this opportunity. If you are startup, you can try your own. Okay, not a big deal. It's a very simple thing. Apart from this, whoever opting this, we are also offering the tools kind of Google Map extractor. Nowadays, data is wealth. Information is wealth. How you could collect your competitor data from Google? How you could collect your competitor data from Justile? WhatsApp marketing is a great tool. WhatsApp marketing. You're not required to spend time in WhatsApp. One tool, one time set a message, you spend it automatically. And also this software will extract the group numbers. If you are in some group, that extract all the people numbers. Okay, so that you can do that data, email marketing and WhatsApp marketing, you could use that. And one more final thing is video editing software. Guys, you not required to go anywhere else. The software name called Movavi. It is very simple tool. Anyone create video without any support. This is a very simple tool. Absolutely, we are giving as a bonus tool along with this package. Last week, we have guided so many clients. They are performing well, fantastic. They are performing. Okay, and whoever opting our service, we are also give a free gift worth of, as I told you, that 12,992 rupees worth we are offering for the people. As I told you, bonus tools and 16 ways of getting organic profit. Whatever we are talking about, that it is a paid advertisement. Even you can get the organic leads. Organic means without paying single money, you could get the leads. That is one other ebook. Every screenshot we have it, and content. How to write the content ebook. Then laser targeting in Facebook. There is other ebook also. We have created it. And apart from that, we have created exclusive Facebook private group lifetime membership that will give you guys also can join now. It's not only for this is completely I'm opening for all the people. That you will give lifetime membership. Whatever you are having the doubt, you put it over there, because sometimes I'm not available. If you put it in the group, I will look out and I'll give the response for that. Okay. This is also absolutely we are going to make it out. Fine, guys. Finally, I just want to give the action taker. I just want to give the offer. Only today offer. I just want to make it out sure. This all the package whatever I have discussed about that. It is only 4,999 today. Whoever want to sign up with us, 4,999 offer only. This is what our service. What I'm going to do. Our service. I'm talking about it. Not as a everyone. Think about that. It is not mandatory. Whoever looks like your business personal coaching needed, they can grab this opportunity. Okay, so for them it is a very minimum cost of investment. They can get the prospective leads. I'm assuring that prospective leads they can get it. Okay, so this is the offer now. Okay, today I will open this offer. Anytime you can ping it out, and this link also I will share it out. You can, if you want to make the payment using by this link, you can pay it 4,999. As I said, you get all the worth of rupee 12,992 worth and money back guarantee. I'll give you. Okay. Some people may think that, oh, finally I am promoting some product, but it is not. I am not promoting my product. I am telling my service what I am doing. Okay. And finally, yes. Now we are moving into the. Of course, I'll spend another 15 to 20 minutes, guys. No worry. 1 second. You distract somewhere. Let us move the question and answer session. Guys, let me by the time let me copy paste about our link, and in the chat box you could, if you want, you could do this. Now you can ask your thing, your questions. You can ask me now. The payment link and as well as Google Pay number also I have given. So today, if you want to sign up, you could do this, either that payment link or Google Pay. If you want, use our 199 book also. It is very fantastic, useful product, because it's your business. Okay, so you have to do the business page. It is must. Okay, those two products I just want to introduce that, and also I will give it in the group. I will share the link. Now, guys, come up with all your question. I'm happy to resolve it. Anybody questions? Please make it. What do you call it? Make it unmute it and talk about that. Anybody?
Hi, Muthu. Rakesh from Coimbatore.
Rakesh, yes, Rakesh. Tell me, Rakesh.
Hi. Facebook ad podrukku. Okay, sorry. Many people are from many locations, so I'll continue in English. To create better questions. So to create a Facebook ad, we need a Facebook page, which is mandatory, right?
100% mandatory, Rakesh. 100%. In our Facebook page, இல்லனா நம்மளால ad போட முடியாது. அது வந்து கண்டிப்பா இருக்கணும். It is must.
Okay, great. So, in the for example, if I'm having a Facebook page, okay, through my personal ID, it will not affect my personal ID, right?
No, but I want to make it sure. Lot of people are asking the same kind of thing. Personal ID is different. Absolutely Facebook page. Your friend may not aware that is belongs to you.
That is my
Yes,
page,
yes.
right?
Okay. Yes. Until you say
So
this
I
is my
can-
page,
Okay.
people won't aware that.
If I click like invite friends, all my friends to the page, then only they will know that is my page.
And
right?
one more, Rakesh, one more tips I'll give all the people. Everyone create Facebook page. If you have the likes, say for example, more than 1,000 likes, more than 15,000 post engagement, people they are offering monetization, like kind of YouTube channel and all, how they are offering Google AdSense and all. So they will make the advertisement on your page. It will allow you to earn money. So it is a free cost, nothing like that. You just make it in the page in an attractive manner. You provide the useful information for your audience. Very simple. Okay. So if anybody have a startup, you can do your part time. Earn money like work from home. It is very good opportunity. Okay. Relevant ads, guys. Hope if you do not ask questions, I hope everyone understood, or else nothing is understood. So
Hi, sir.
how I can take it out? Anybody else?
Hello, sir. This is Eman. Hello.
Yarina? Hemant.
Yeah.
Yeah, Hemant. Tell me, Hemant.
Actually, I will talk in Hindi. Are you comfortable? Hindi.
हिंदी?
हाँ.
नो प्रॉब्लम, बोलिए.
हाँ.
बोलिए.
एक्चुअली हम क्या करते थे ना, ये पेज में बूस्ट नाउ जो एक बटन होता है ना, बूस्ट नाउ से करते थे हम.
ठीक है.
एड रन बूस्ट नाउ से करते थे. उससे कुछ फायदा नहीं है ना, फायदा नहीं है उससे.
वही पहले बोला था आपको. बूस्ट नाउ आप कभी भी नहीं क्लिक करना है. बूस्ट नाउ मतलब ये क्या फायदा है, वो फेसबुक का अमाउंट चले जाता है. फेसबुक वांट्स मनी. They will make you to boost now. Okay.
Yes.
What will happen? You आपका टारगेट ऑडियंस नहीं सेट करते, ठीक है. वो अननेसेसरी अमाउंट वेस्ट होता है, आपका लीड्स नहीं आता है. बूस्ट नाउ क्लिक नहीं करना है, ठीक है.
10,000 चला गया मेरा एक हफ्ते में.
इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, बूस्ट नाउ डोंट क्लिक इट. वो आपका पैसा वेस्ट होता है.
एड्स मैनेजर वो किधर मिलता है सर, वो बटन एड्स मैनेजर?
मैं वीडियो में आपको दिखाया है. क्रिएट बटन जहाँ ऊपर आएगा, क्रिएट का बस ऐड क्लिक किया तो ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा. ऑलरेडी वीडियो में आपको सब कुछ चल जाएगा. मैं ये वीडियो आपको ग्रुप में भेज सकता हूँ, ठीक है.
ठीक है. बहुत अच्छा लगा सर, बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
थैंक यू जी. Guys, anybody?
இல்ல தமிழ்ல क्वेश्चन கேட்கறனால கேட்கலாம், ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. நிறைய பேர் தமிழ் பர்சன்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. அதனால நிறைய பேர் கேட்கறதுக்கு தயங்குவாங்க. தஞ்சாவூர்ல இருந்து கோயம்புத்தூர்ல இருந்து நிறைய பேர் இருந்தாங்க.
தமிழ் மக்கள் இருந்தாங்களா?
தஞ்சாவூர்ல இருந்து நிறைய பேர் இருந்தாங்க, 2-3 பேர். ஆமா.
ஹலோ முத்து, நான் சிவநாதன்.
யாருங்க?
சென்னையில இருந்து சிவநாதன்.
சொல்லுங்க.
நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா?
சொல்லுங்க.
ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்துச்சு செஷன். ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்துச்சு செஷன். நான் தான் கொஞ்சம் லேட்டா உள்ள என்டர் ஆனேன். ரொம்ப சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு. அப்புறம் நான் பர்சனலா லைன்ல வரேன், தம்பிட்ட பேசிட்டேன். ஓகே பை.
நீங்க வாங்க, கண்டிப்பா. தேங்க்ஸ்.
ஓகே தேங்க் யூ பை.
Yeah. Telugu also I'm comfortable because I'm in the Hyderabad. So guys, anybody want to talk in Telugu also, you can talk. Questions Telugu అడగాలంటే కూడా అడగొచ్చు మీరు. ఎందుకంటే this time I just made a three target audience. Yes.
Hello.
Sir, my name is Mohammad Sharif from Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Telugu we are also comfortable, no problem.
Sharif,
ఇది మన అమౌంట్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ లో ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుందండి. we are transferring the amount from the Facebook ads. We got some problem is there, sir. So that's the problem.
Facebook కి వెళ్ళట్లేదా అమౌంట్?
అమౌంట్ వెళ్ళట్లేదండి.
అది
యాడ్ అమౌంట్ లో మనకి
బిల్లింగ్ లో ఓకే ఓకే సార్, నాకు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పంపించండి, నేను చూస్తాను ఒకసారి. షూర్.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
పంపించండి ఒకసారి, స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పంపించండి.
ఓకే సార్.
హలో
హలో.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ Muthu sir.
Yes sir ji.
Yeah, this is Lakshman from Bangalore.
Yeah, yes Lakshman ji.
See, we have one doubt. So you were offered some personal coaching, right?
Yeah.
So do you have any like branches in Bangalore? So how we can get the coaching, personal coaching in the sense only in the online process or any like
No, it is ji, absolutely it is a kind of after corona now behavior changed. It is a personal coaching through Zoom call, AnyDesk. Okay, you will get complete
Zoom call only
guidance.
we can get the coaching, right?
Zoom call and AnyDesk. Yes.
Okay. So do you have any institute like that, sir? Here, so in after corona also we come and
No,
meet. And we can,
mine,
how we
mine
can
is,
try?
I'm telling that Lakshman Gada, mine is generally I'm not institute background. I'm having a corporate background. This is after this corona session we started out using the clients. We started a session like this. Okay, so this I will not continue very long time. In a very short time, maybe another 1 or 2 months, I will work for the clients. Okay, so then I have my international clients. That is also it has very huge work. Okay.
Okay. So in a daily basis, we can train us, or how frequently we can train us, sir?
You want to personal coaching? How you want to that? I am giving outcome like kind of outcome. I will train up you until successful your campaign. So for example, what kind of product you are?
So actually, we are in pest control services, sir.
Pest control, exactly. Pest control in the sense you need to get the lead. How to get the leads? Your Facebook campaign. How to create the post? How to create the ad copy? Everything we will teach you. Okay. In your dashboard, along with you, we will work it out. Okay. Each step-by-step guide. Then until you get the lead. Okay. Prospective lead. Our support will be there. Not only that. As I told you that we will give the guidance for other social media, how your presence supposed to be. You understand what I'm saying? Okay.
Yeah.
So the whole fundamental funnel we will give you. Okay. We have 120 members of team in our company. So I am making out only for this service some dedicated resources allocated. They'll be keeping touch with you. Also, I will in the Facebook campaign. I will be sitting with you. Okay. Video editing and other tools and all other technical person, they will be keeping touch with you. It has been scheduled wise. Okay, how your time and your schedule because you have to be available in your session. Our
no,
time,
same time will be okay, sir. Same time will be okay.
Yeah, that's same so like that only. Yeah. So that is why everybody lot more clients are enrolled up. But I'm making very limited people, not for all the people, very limited people seats. Now you see only for 20 people who I have logged in, I could give the answer for the people. Okay. So if it is no, even I can make it 100 people. I have limitation in the Zoom call, but I don't want that. I want very limited people in a prospective service. That's what I want to give. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Fine. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So I'm mentioning that guys, please use the if you want to do the personal coaching offer is today only. I'll open that. Okay. Tomorrow definitely I'm not going to make it 5,000 rupees. It has to be 10,000 rupees. Okay. So don't mind. Tomorrow don't ask such a request. Why? Because it's a 10,000. It's a worthable value. I am giving all the tools. Tools cost itself. It is coming 5,000 rupees. More than 5,000 rupees. Okay. Anybody else, guys? Maybe I can.
I have a question.
Yes,
I'm Subhashini.
Yeah.
See, the same thing I wanted to do from mobile phone. Can I do it? Because I have logged in some other account in laptop, and I couldn't log in this particular account in my laptop. Some issue I'm getting it. So I'm operating this account from my mobile phone. From my mobile phone, I can only boost the post. I couldn't actually do the one.
There is another app. There is another app, Subhashini, kind of Facebook ads.
Okay.
There is another app. You install that, you could create that.
Oh, okay.
But again, I am telling that the features, it is not much comfortable. How you are using laptop would not be much comfortable.
Okay.
I suggested utilizing a
Because
laptop.
in that particular, see, I have two accounts. In one, from one account, I have the money settlement problem. So that's why I couldn't actually run my ad. So I create from my another account. I'm boosting my ads from mobile phone.
Better
And this
actually don't.
account I couldn't
I
actually log into my laptop, and immediately my account is getting blocked.
Yes, sometimes Facebook ads. That's what I am saying. Facebook,
Yeah.
there is an ads policy.
Okay.
You read it once again. What kind of product you are selling?
I have a baking institute.
What is institute?
Baking, culinary
institute.
Yeah.
Okay, baking institute. Okay, great. So I need to check it out. Why it is banned? Because there is a lot more factors on that. Okay. Sometimes you guys, you simply putting your color coding and all. It has to be proper color coding. If you put it, use it in Facebook color coding, they will not allow it because blue color belongs to Facebook. Okay, you understand? Okay. So such thing we need to reanalyze that. So maybe you just share it out in WhatsApp. When I free, I will look it up and I will get back. Yes. So as well as guys, your valuable feedback, please share it out in our group. I will keep this group for alive. I will share it out every day, one material, useful material. I will share it out. And apart from that, I will give the Facebook group right now. You can join. Okay. This is a group, lifetime. I will make it's a private group. Okay. Yes. Then the chat box also I will share it out in the WhatsApp. I will make it alive. You join this. Anybody else, guys? Almost 9:30. Anybody else question? Do let me know. I'm happy to help you. If you are all okay, then have a nice day. So create your ad and share it with me. Okay. So that I feel happy about this session. Okay. Prakash, hello. Prakash, hello. Prakash, you have something audio issue. I think Prakash, my existing client. Hello. Maybe Prakash, if you want anything, unmute it and talk it about that.
Yeah, I unmute ready.
Yes, Prakash.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. I think I didn't.
Prakash, yes. So,
I didn't open my. Okay, I came now. Okay, good evening, everybody. I think people are still in the group. Nearly the session is going to end. Okay, last 2 weeks before I met Mr. Kalimuthu through this class. Now I'm getting very good response, but entirely different product. Company also not in India, but anyway, I'm getting very good response. Today I think nearly 50 leads came.
Actually, Prakash product, this kind of beauty products is a kind of what do you call
cosmetic items.
3-in-1. Yes. It's a cosmetic items.
Today we launched for 4-in-1.
4-in-1. Okay, how many conversion happened, Prakash, today?
Today nearly 45 to 50.
Oh, great, nice. Really fantastic. You have very good conversion. Great. Yeah. So very happy to work with Prakash. He just joined in a call. So one other thing is, audience. When we put a right audience, conversion will happen for everyone. Every product we could sell it out in the Facebook. Because
yes, we also need to change some audience setup. Please come today after this meeting.
Sure, Prakash. Today almost
just 5 minutes. Just this audience setup only.
Yeah, I'll come. I'll give
okay. My battery very low.
Okay,
I just leaving. We meet next meeting. Okay.
Thanks, Prakash. Thank you. Yeah, bye. Guys, anyhow, I'm signing off. Thanks a lot for your valuable time and patience. And just so once again, I repeat that I'm going to give the offer only for today. If you want anybody utilize it, please utilize it today only. Okay. Thanks a lot, and also please give a valuable feedback on the group. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Good night, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, Muthu. Thank you.
Thank you, Muthu. Good night.
Leave the